In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy a WordPress website onto another domain on Hostinger. If you have a WordPress website hosted on Hostinger and you want to have a duplicate of the same website onto another domain on Hostinger, this video is for you. So before you can actually follow along with this tutorial, you should have a Hostinger account and have a website on it that you want to duplicate onto another domain also on Hostinger. If you don't have an account on Hostinger yet, I'll leave a link to it in the description. This is the website I have hosted on Hostinger. It's an e-commerce website. It's a digital download e-commerce website. And I want to have a duplicate of it on this particular domain, that is phoneshop.dikupages.com, which is also hosted on Hostinger, even though it's a subdomain to this particular domain, dikupages.com. So it doesn't really matter. You can duplicate your website onto a default domain or a subdomain. So if I reload this website now, it will give us this Hostinger default page. So let's see how we can duplicate this very website onto this domain. So I go over to my H panel on Hostinger. Then I click on websites. From here, you see all my websites I have on Hostinger. And this is the very website I'm going to duplicate. As you can see, that is easypeep.com. So what I do is I just click on dashboard beside the website I want to duplicate. And you make sure under website name, you see the domain of the website you want to duplicate. This is very important. So I come under search, then I type in copy website. So here you may see these two options. So under WordPress, I just click on copy website. If you are using a different platform, you may want to use the one under website. So I just go ahead and click on copy website under WordPress. And right here, you see that I have copy website to another domain. So this will copy all easypeep.com files and databases to one of the domains I have on my hosting plan. Take note, this is the website we are copying from, so you cannot change it from here. And the destination is where we have two. So I go ahead and drop down the arrow. Then I search for the particular domain I want to duplicate it onto. For this demonstration, remember, is phoneshop.dikupages.com. So I can just search for it. I have it right here. I select it. And it should be noted that if you have emails, FTP accounts, and then SSH keys added to your domain, those resources will not be copied onto your new domain automatically. So you will have to create them manually. For this, I just want to duplicate the website. So I go ahead and click on start copying. I understand. Then I go ahead and click on start copying anyway. And now copying is in process, and this may take up to 15 minutes. And they say otherwise, please get in touch with support. You can close this window now. So I'll just go ahead and close it. So I have the old domain that is here, and then the new domain. This is the progress. It should be noted that how long the copying takes will depend upon the size of your WordPress website. That is the website from the old domain. So you patiently have to wait for it to finish copying. It should be noted that signing out from Hostinger will not disrupt the copying. Okay, the copying is completed. Now if I go over to my new domain, that is phoneshop.dikupages.com, and refresh, you'll see that I have my website right here, just the same as the old domain. Perfect. So that's it on how you can copy a WordPress website onto another domain on Hostinger. Now if you want to be able to copy your WordPress website onto another domain on a different web hosting, stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I'll see you in that video.